Action just got smarter, sharper, and faster. The GoPro Hero 14 isn't just another upgrade. It's a full-blown evolution of what an action camera can do. GoPro isn't sticking to the old rules this time. With next-level clarity, smoother stabilization, and motion so fluid it feels almost unreal, the Hero 14 is already turning heads. But does it really live up to the hype? We've taken it into the chaos, through crashing waves, dusty trails, and bustling city streets, to find out how it performs in the real world. The results may surprise even the most loyal GoPro fans. At Technify, we dig past the marketing buzz to reveal what actually matters: performance, reliability, and that all-important image quality. So before you decide if the Hero 14 deserves a spot in your gear bag, stay tuned. You're about to see what this camera can really do when pushed to its limits. The GoPro Hero 14 is rumored to take the brand's iconic design to new heights. Early leaks suggest GoPro is refining its formula with a titanium alloy frame, making it lighter yet more durable than any previous model. The rugged shell could withstand deeper dives, up to 20 meters underwater without a housing, making it even more versatile for adventure seekers. The buttons reportedly feel more responsive and tactile, ensuring easier control during fast-paced shoots. Visually, a sleek new finish might give it a more modern and premium aesthetic that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. The display experience is expected to take a major leap forward. The Hero May 14th feature dual OLED touchscreens with ultra-thin bezels, offering a more immersive and interactive interface. The front display could support touch gestures, a game-changer for vloggers who frequently film themselves. A super-responsive 120Hz refresh rate might make menu navigation buttery smooth, while improved brightness ensures perfect visibility even under harsh sunlight. Add in customizable layouts, and creators could have faster access to their favorite controls with just a swipe. When it comes to the camera, the Hero 14 could be GoPro's most ambitious leap yet. Rumors hint at a 1-inch sensor capable of delivering richer colors, better contrast, and outstanding low-light performance. This sensor upgrade could allow breathtaking 8K recording at 60 frames per second and 4K at an incredible 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion shots. Combined with a new AI-powered processor and improved HDR, the Hero 14 might produce cinematic results straight out of the box. A new astrophotography mode could bring night skies to life like never before, while interchangeable lens filters may offer endless creative flexibility for filmmakers. GoPro's legendary Hypersmooth stabilization could evolve into its most advanced version yet, Hypersmooth 7.0. The system reportedly adapts automatically to motion type using AI, providing fluid stability whether you're biking down rocky trails or sprinting through a cityscape. Enhanced sensors could eliminate microshakes even during extreme action, and a revamped processor might reduce heat buildup during long shoots, ensuring consistent performance without compromise. Battery endurance seems to be another key focus. A larger cell, possibly around 30% more capacity than before, may deliver longer recording sessions. AI-based power optimization could smartly balance performance and efficiency, while fast charging drastically reduces downtime between adventures. Some reports even hint at solar-assisted charging for outdoor explorers, and the detachable battery design may allow seamless hot swapping without rebooting the device. Connectivity could be faster and smarter than ever. With potential Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0 support, file transfers should feel almost instant, while GPS 3.0 might bring pinpoint tracking accuracy for outdoor filming. AI-powered tools could automatically edit, stabilize, and color-correct footage, giving creators polished clips in real time. Expanded voice controls might recognize more languages and even work offline, while leak detection and automatic SOS alerts may ensure safety in every environment. The Hero 14 sounds like a camera designed not just for creators, but for adventurers who demand more from every frame. If all these rumors and leaks prove true, the GoPro Hero 14 could mark a defining moment in action camera evolution. From the redesigned body and sharper display to groundbreaking image quality and smarter stabilization, every aspect suggests a camera built for creators who refuse to settle. It's not just about capturing moments anymore. It's about capturing them smarter, sharper, and more effortlessly than ever before. Here at Technify, we can't wait to see how GoPro's latest innovation performs once it officially lands. Whether you're scaling mountains, diving into the ocean, or filming cinematic travel shots, this could be the tool that redefines what's possible with an action cam. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more in-depth tech reviews and future comparisons. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep the adventure alive with Technify.